In this video, I want to explain all the ports that are on the back of your Skyworth TV. I'll tell you what they do and how you can use them. So let's get started right away. Maybe your TV will have a slightly different setup on the back, but overall 99% of the time it's the same thing. If we start on the top over here, we can notice that it has two different USB ports. These can be used for two different things. The first one is if you have a USB flash drive like this one, you can load your movies, your music, or your pictures connected in one of these ports. It does not matter which one you pick, all right? And you'll be able to see them and enjoy them on your Skyworth TV. Another utility of having a USB port in the back is that it's able to charge or to provide power to a device. If you have a Chromecast, I mean, this TV is a Google TV, so you probably won't have a Chromecast, but if you have a Roku stick, a Fire TV stick, or any other stick that requires power, you can connect them directly in one of these USB ports, which will supply 5 volts of power. And this is very useful because the HDMI ports where you're going to connect those devices are located very close by. Now, if we continue over here, we have an antenna port. If you're going to connect an antenna, it will have one of these connectors. You simply need to bring it over here and to screw it. This is very important. Screw the tip in place clockwise. And make sure that everything is staying tightly connected. You can also connect a cable if you're still using a cable to get your channels. Next on the list, where you see the red light, this is an optical connector. This will output the audio if you prefer connecting your TV to a soundbar or a home theater like a receiver using an optical cable. This is where it needs to go, and the sound will come out through this port. You'll have to select a setting on the TV if you're gonna use it. Finally, we have two HDMI ports. Your TV may have up to 4 of them. Obviously, you can use them for many different things. Connect your PS5, Xbox, cable box, and many other devices that are using an HDMI, including even cameras. Under those, we're gonna have the RCA connectors. These are for older devices. Like example, if you want to connect a VCR to your TV, or even a Nintendo 64 or older consoles that are using these connectors. I think even the GameCube is actually using an RCA connection. Well, you'll be able to do it directly over here without needing to purchase an adapter. And finally, the last port is this one over here. This is an Ethernet port. It's to get your internet. So if you don't want to use the Wi-Fi to connect your TV to your network, to your internet, to your router, well, you can use a cable, an Ethernet cable. And you're going to plug one end over here and one end in the back of your router. And this way the connection will be more stable in case your TV is staying far away from your Wi-Fi router and the connection drops. Otherwise, on the back, if we look over here, you're going to find the mounting ports. If you want to attach this TV to a wall, so you'll need obviously an adapter, a bracket, a mounting. And on the left side, you're going to have the connector to the power cable. All right, it looks like this. And it goes there. I hope this video was helpful. Leave a comment down below if this helped you. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.